Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Ashanti here. I am going to be flat ironing my hair. However, I'm going to be doing it differently from our regular hair flat ironing. And if you guys want to try this method of flat ironing your hair, then this is the video for you. So stay tuned, keep watching, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe, comment, and share the video so that other people can know about these videos, okay? So first I'm taking out my hair and then I'm going to moisturize each section. After going through each section, I tried to flat iron, but that was gonna take forever. So instead of doing that, I am just going to go straight into blow drying my whole hair, because flat iron each section is going to take like forever, and we want to get this silk press done. We don't want to stay the whole day. As you can see, I have so much hair, a whole lot of hair, and it's curly. So we're going to take our time to go through by sections, and we're just going to blow dry just as how they do it at the salon. After I'm done with that blow drying, I'm going to go into straightening with the flat iron. That's going to be the first round of straightening. So I'm taking my time to go through as I part from the back going up. I'm going to use the rat tail comb and I'm going to comb it out as I flat iron, because I want it to get very straight, because we are doing a silk press and we want it to look like when we go to the salon. So I can show you guys that you can definitely do this at home yourself. You don't even have to go to the salon and pay money, and you can do it at home for free because you already have the products and everything that you need to do this style at home. Just make sure you're aware that you're in for a long ride, because this is going to take you a couple hours, especially depending on how thick your hair is, how much hair do you have on your head, and stuff like that. It's going to take you some time, but this method definitely will keep your hair straightened for a good period of time, because right now as I'm editing this video, I still got my hair straightened. Hey guys, so I'm at the half mark now of the process of flat ironing. It is not silk press straight as yet, so I'm gonna do like a once over, like go over it again. I do have really curly hair, guys, so the technique that I used was, my mom told me that I should try blow drying it first and then going over it, because I did put product in it because I didn't have any heat protecting spray on hand. So I did put some conditioner, some curling conditioner in my hair, so that, you know, as to protect it from burning up, because who wants burnt hair? No. This is why we're trying to make this video, so you guys could know the routine of how to flat iron your hair at home, where you don't need to go to the salon and pay money to do it, but keep your hair from becoming messed up. I went ahead and moisturized with the conditioner, then blow dry that with a brush and the blow dryer, and just put it like this and go in this direction. And once that was dry and a little bit straightened out, then I went ahead with the flat iron, which is what you can see now. And so in order to get it silk press straight, I'm gonna go in again with the flat iron for a once over what I've already done. And once I'm done, I'm gonna come back and show you guys the end result. So I hope you have stayed tuned to this far of the video. If you have and you like what you're seeing so far, go ahead and click the like button to like this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below, because your comment do help. It helps me to know what do you guys think about the video, and then go ahead and press the share button so you can share this video with your family and your friends, so this information that I'm sharing with you guys can become recognized by other people than just you who is viewing. So here is the finishing look. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment in the comment section, what did you think? Did you like this hairstyle? Would this be a hairstyle that you would try? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Please comment your response in the comment section so that I can know, because personally I really like this hairstyle, but I want to know what you guys think.